Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. So I have not done a makeup tutorial or anything on here or like a makeup review in a while, and I want to get back to doing that because I have been slacking hardcore. I promise I'm going to try and start to upload more often. However, Nudestix just came out with these new Tinted Blur sticks, which I am really excited to try, especially because it is going to be summer soon and you don't want to be wearing, well, I personally don't want to be wearing like a full caked face. Like I don't want to be beating my face every single day just because with the heat and your pores opening from the heat, I don't want to deal with all of that. I find that I do break out more in the summertime if I am wearing a full face of makeup. So these are perfect. So I went ahead and I picked up a couple of things at Sephora along with the Tinted Blur sticks from Nudestix, and then just a couple of their like highlights and stuff, things that I haven't tried before. So I decided, why not give it a shot and try it out? So I have already gone ahead and prepped my skin. My skin is prepped, ready to go. So I'm going to just go ahead and I'm going to pick up the color 7 because I feel like that's probably the closest to my color. So this is what they look like. They're little teeny tiny little sticks. Let's see, do they roll up? Yes, they roll up. Okay, let's see how much product is in here. Quite a bit of product for a little container. Actually, I lied. Not really. Not a lot of product. So that'll be like my first thumbs down to it because there isn't a lot of product in here. However, the way they made it seem is that you don't need a lot and that it's just kind of to blur imperfections out. It's not an all-over foundation kind of thing. The thing that I also really like about this is apparently you can just like kind of blend it out with your finger, which is perfect if you're on the go and you need to do like any kind of touch-ups or anything. So that's major. And I actually never noticed this about the Nudestix packs, but it has a mirror in here. So like that's literally perfect for on the go, like I was saying, because like you've got your mirror in here already. Just keep it in its case and you're good to go. So as I mentioned, I got the color 7, which is medium, but I also picked up the color 8 in deep just because I want to use that in the areas that I'm going to contour. So I'm just going to go ahead and start with the color 8, which is deep, and just pop those into where I would normally contour. Which, however, I am now feeling might be a better color for you, girl. And I'm going to just drag that on the side of my nose. I like how creamy they are. They definitely go on really nice and creamy. I wish I would have bought a light color for my highlight. What I am going to go ahead and do is I'm going to blend out this first. And I'm going to use my fingers just because it says you can. So I feel like it might be nice to try. I mean, on the go, I guess this isn't like the most sanitary way of doing it, but I'm at home right now, so whatever. I guess on the go, you'd want to maybe have a brush. Oh, this is nice. It's like so soft and smooth. Holy smokes. This is just really outdid themselves on this one. I'm really feeling it. So safe to say that deep is probably the best for me. I'm really liking that you can use your finger for this. It just makes everything like so much better, and like just the heat from your hands like heats up the product perfectly. So it like just gives you that very natural look, which I love for the summer. Like I mentioned, because I should have gone and bought a lighter color for a highlight, but I'm just going to use the color, what is this, Bamboo from Fenty Beauty, and I'm just going to put that along where I would highlight. I will say this though, these sticks are not nearly as smooth as those. I know that these dry like a powder, so I guess that like they obviously have a different finish to them, but I prefer the Nudestix than those sticks right now. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend these out. This is the, what brush is this? Luxie 660 brush. I don't know what I'm gonna end up calling this video because this is a review, but it's also just like gonna end up being like a really natural summer look. Yeah, I'm liking this, guys. I'm digging it. I'm really feeling it. It's like literally like using your own skin. Like it feels like my own skin. I don't feel like I'm wearing anything on my face. Like it feels really good. I mean, mind you, I am not technically really wearing that much. So, I mean, I guess obviously hence the name Nudestix Tinted Blur Stick, that you're not like supposed to feel like you're wearing like a cake full of makeup. And so, yeah. I have not tried any of their highlights. So this one is called Hey Honey, and says it's for your face, lips, or eyes. I have read so much about this color in particular, and it seems to be like one of their more popular items. So I figured it would be perfect to try out, and I loved that it came with the little applicator brush as well. So I'm just going to use Hey Honey on the high points of my face. Ooh, that is nice. Hello. Ooh. Guys, this is banging. Like, hello, I woke up like this. Yeah, that's how I feel right now. Feel like I woke up looking like this. And we all know your girl did not. I am then going to go in with one of their other most popular, from what I have seen, colors, which is called In the Nude. I felt like this would be perfect for this look. It also comes with a little applicator brush as well. And I am going to use that on my cheeks. Oh, this is a nice color. Very nice. I'm going to take that color In the Nude, and I'm just going to put a little bit on my eye in the corner here. I'm just going to use my finger to blend it out. Go ahead and grab some mascara. I'm using the Double Decker mascara from Butter London. I got this in a BoxyCharm a couple months ago, or last month, I don't even know. And I love it. Okay, now moving on to lashes. Whenever I do a really natural glam like this, I always pick up my Ardell Wispies. These are the Demi Wispies, and I just apply those on top of my lashes. I love these because they're just like super light, and you're not really, it doesn't look like you're wearing lashes, if that makes any sense, but it does. All right, so I have already pre-cut these. I'm gonna go ahead and look down and add these right on top of my lashes. And there we go. Natural lash glam on 100,000 trillion. Oh, good. I swear I love these lashes. I love how natural they look when you've got them on. What are some of your guys' favorite natural lashes? Like, am I missing out on something else other than these? The only thing I don't like about these is that they're very hard to reuse, I find. Just because they're so flimsy. And I mean, opposed to your, like, you know, luxe type of lashes that you would get from like a lash company or whatnot. They're just not as, but they're not, I'm not going to say they're not as good quality. They're just not, they don't last as long. So are there any other ones that you guys prefer? Put them in the comments below. I'd love to see if there's anything else out there. All right, I'm going to just take a little bit of that Double Decker mascara again and just pop a little bit. My phone is like talking to me. Pop a little bit on my lower lashes here that are hella non-existent. All right, guys, so this is the final look. This is literally going to become my summer look. Like when you see me in the summer, you're going to see me like this. Only this. This is going to be my go-to look. I am like literally obsessed with how this makeup turned out. I don't even feel like I'm wearing makeup, to be honest. I literally feel like this is what my face just looks like. Like, this is me. Hi, I'm here. I rolled out of bed. That's what I feel like. It feels so light on your face. You don't feel like you're wearing makeup, but you look like you're wearing something, but you're not sure what. Or you're like, does that girl just have really good skin? So like, I really have nothing bad to say about those Tinted Blur sticks, or really any of the new products that I tried from Nudestix today. However, I will say, like I mentioned before, there isn't a lot of product in these little containers. However, as you saw, that little tiny bit of product that I did use did go a long way. If you want to just, you know, like kind of touch up things throughout the day, you're able to, like, you can just kind of, you know, add where need be. Like, say you had like, you know, some kind of colors anywhere, you can just kind of blur it out with the sticks, which I really think is a perfect idea for the summer. Like I mentioned before, I love how fresh and airy it is. Even if you say, I feel like this actually might even be like something that if you're one of those kind of girls, personally I am not, I do not work out with makeup on, but if you wanted to work out with some makeup on, this would be kind of an ideal thing to use. So hopefully this video was informative to you guys. If you are interested in purchasing the Nudestix, then hopefully this video helped you kind of give you that extra push to go out and grab them, because they really are worth it. I really do really like them. So hopefully this was helpful. Once again, thanks for watching my video. If you haven't already, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, as well as give the video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.